Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kibo Commerce step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Kibo Commerce login URL. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the Kibo Commerce login page. Locate the fields for your username and password. In the username field, enter your registered email address or username. Next, move to the password field and input your password. Ensure that your password is typed correctly by checking for any typos. If your organization uses single sign-on, look for the single sign-on option. Click the single sign-on link if applicable, and follow the prompts. Once you have entered your credentials, locate the login button. Click on the login button to initiate the login process. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Kibo Commerce dashboard. In case of an error, check your username and password again. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, you can access your Kibo Commerce features and functionalities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Now, you're ready to begin using Kibo Commerce to manage your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.